Hello, everybody. Welcome to Level 2 in the Computational Genomics Lab.
I'm Kit.
I'm John. And what'd you think? of
Yeah,
Level 2?
so level 2 is really fun because we're actually getting to start to use some of the things we downloaded in level 1. So we downloaded that terminal, and it's nice to finally be able to use bash scripting and putting that to use, and then also the connectivity.
Yeah, the secure shell keys to connect everything securely, because the internet is not a secure place, but your computer is, and the computers you're connecting to. So you'll get to learn how to connect your computer to our supercomputer and to GitHub, where all the code for the class is. And also, you're gonna learn some Git language. What'd you think of Git?
Yeah, I am still getting used to it.
Me
So,
too.
don't beat yourself up if it seems difficult. It's not too bad, but give yourself grace. I am really excited to see what that'll mean for version control when we
Yeah.
get there. So, also, just remember that not all SSH keys are made equally. So, if you have a PC, make sure you look at the PC one, and if you have a Mac, make sure you look at the Mac one.
Yes, and then once you have your keys set up, you can use those keys to make handshakes with other computers. And on the GitHub, on the Git note, I've been doing Git for 4 years, and I still get confused, so it's fine. But we do have really good step-by-step instructions on our GitHub website. You'll make your first repo and make some commits and track your changes so your coding never gets lost. And then finally, on the last class in level 2, you're going to get the entire repository of code from the class and a few command line moves. You'll have, years of work on your GitHub, and you can make changes to it, take notes, and be all set with getting Git.
So you're really about to have a lot of power and years of experience at your fingertips. So we look forward to having you in this level.
And we'll see you on level 3.